Right, okay, so this is a Mark III VRS. Probably the same for most models, if not all. This is the switch we're talking about. I'm going to switch it all the way to on. Mine are already LED. The bit you're looking for is right here. I'll try to do it with one hand. There you go. Just grab and pull, and it should come to you. Before you change the lamp, obviously make sure that you turn it back off, so you don't get any shorts, and also so you don't burn your fingers. Putting it back on should just be a case of popping it back in. Easy with two hands and one. But that home. There you go. One more time. Knock it on. This section here. Clip. Ta-da! Enjoy. Good luck. Easy job.